Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own emoji on iOS 18. First of all, what you have to do is open your inbox on your iPhone and open any chat and open your keyboard in the iMessage. Now, once the keyboard has been opened, what you have to do is click on the emoji icon, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. Now you'll be able to see all of the emojis on your iPhone. Now, if you're updated to the latest iOS 18 version, then you will be able to see a new plus icon, which will be a colorful icon of emoji on the top right of your keyboard. So what you have to do is click on that icon. If you cannot see this icon, which means you haven't got this feature yet, or you have to update your iPhone. Click on this icon. Now this screen will open, which will ask you to describe a Genmoji. You can type anything that your mind can imagine. For example, dinosaur holding a guitar. Click on done and automatically it will create your imagination into an emoji, which they call Genmoji. You can also swipe the Genmoji right to see the different version of your emoji. You can select any version that you like. And that's basically how you can make your own emoji on iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.